What is going on, everyone, and welcome to this in-depth 2023 brand new Profit Protector Pro 2023, the brand new version of Profit Protector Pro that has just come out. Tutorial. So as far as I'm aware, I'm the first person to actually do this with a new tutorial, especially in 2023. So let's go with the first new software. So this is Profit Protector Pro, maximizing seller profit. So if you don't know, this is in like the family of BuyBot Pro and online arbitrage deals, etc., and a new software they got coming out soon. So PPP is in the same family, and it's something that I've used for over 2 years now, probably coming up to 3 years, guys. Over 3 years. Wow, I'm trying to think about it now. I've been selling for 3.5 years, and this is the only repricer I've actually ever used. So yeah, a long time, and should do 1 million this year, do hundreds of thousands a year, and I use this all over my my USA side of the business. So yeah, it's a good tool. It's a good tool, you can be sure. And they've just done a refit with it. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So without further ado, this is 2023 tutorial full of PPP, Profit Protector Pro, which is a Amazon seller repricer, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is the dashboard, brand new dashboard for new Profit Protector Pro. You've got at buy box here. It shows you how many SKUs we've got at the buy box, at lowest price, at minimum, at maximum. And then it shows us on here the 30-day PPP boost. So this is what PPP is. It works hard to achieve your sales above the buy box where your chosen strategy allows that. They will update you with the extra profit that can be achieved to check back regularly, okay? So this is genuine extra profit, guys. So this is my all-time PPP boost, which isn't accurate because since I think I got a new account. But yeah, this is in the last 30 days in the USD, which is the only place I do online arbitrage. The UK, I do my branded stuff, but in the USA, I do online arbitrage, and they've managed to get me an extra $703.52, and that is actually extra profit. So that's, say, if we're set at minimum 25, maximum 30. Say if there's another seller all for 25 as well, it might manage to get us an extra 26, for example. So it might manage to get us an extra pound profit, or dollar profit, if you like. So that's a genuine thing. It's like wizardry stuff. It's crazy, but it's all the software and the AI stuff in it. So it shows you how many are at minimum and maximum. It shows you the boost there. It also shows you the repricing here, show at buy box. It shows how many buy boxes we're getting. And as you can see, it's actually showing it's almost 200 on Monday there. So it shows us that Monday was a really good day. So this data here, as you can see today, we've got how many SKUs are at the buy box. I've got a lot of SKUs with everyone, by the way. At lowest price, 194. At minimum, 324. Shows us how many we've got, guys. At max, 33. So not many. So it shows us the state of our inventory. So it also shows us the amount of sales we've had in the last, 7 days. So that's 8,400. Is that accurate? Yeah, I suppose it could be. It could be about accurate for our USA side of the business completely. And then it shows us the amount of reprices today, etc. And then a weekly overview down here, which is cool, of the spend, of the sales. So that's cool. And this stuff all just helps you when you're analysing your business, just seeing if you have to do anything. Let's click on the next tab here, which is the most important part, which is repricing. And this is a product I don't sell anymore, guys. So, whatever, go ahead if you want to sort of sell it yourself. But yeah, so this is what happens. So as you can see, you've got the buy box here, we've got the ASINs, all that basic good stuff, the BSR. This new layout is just really, really cool. Repricing, toggle on or off, FBM, FBA, retail, wholesale. You can put any notes here and they will save when you click off it. And the really cool thing about this is that when you change your minimum maximum, guys, let's say 40, you can click off that and then you can scroll down and change, say, the other one. Say if we want to do that one to 29, for example, let's say 40, I don't know, for example, whatever, then what you can do, rather than changing each individual, you can click save all price changes, and then it will work its way through the whole lot, which is really time saving. My VA is really grateful for this new feature. Actually, it saves a lot of time. You can go through them all, quickly change them, quick save all changes, and it does it all. So it's a really cool bit of kit there. There's also the inventory page there, which we can click, which I'm not going to actually click on, guys, because I can't show you all of my inventory. But that just has your list of your inventory, obviously, and you can input your buy price along with what you can do here. Let's look at the activity here. We've actually got the activity here, which is actually showing you all of the activity. The amount of updates it's done. As you can see, click on activity, it will show you the product name here, and it will also show you the event type here and what it's done. So as you can see, update minimum maximum price change, the time, which was 90 minutes past 2 and 17 seconds. Shows you the AC and the SKU, and then actually, as you can see, it tells you a note. The AI will actually tell you a note. Your chosen strategy wants to go lower than your minimum price, so we are adjusting at your minimum price. As you can see here, your chosen strategy wants to go lower than your minimum price, so we are sitting at your minimum price. So it's remaining at low FBA. It actually tells you what it's doing, guys, which is really cool. There's not many repricers that can do this. And then you can click on bulk inventory here. So what this will actually do, you can use it with Excel, use it with Mac, use it with Google Sheets. You can actually do the bulk inventory here. So download your listings and tweak the minimum, maximum price, break even, cost price strategy, manage all your listings in an easy place. And then what you can do is here. The strategy you choose will be decided by strategy ID below, and then you can just edit it all, guys, and then do it in the upload the CSV, sorry, and do it in bulk. You can also do custom strategies here, which is pretty cool. So you can do a custom strategy. You can click the save at any time. Probably to save your draft. Click back and return to the previous page. Yeah, got it. Cool. So all your custom strategies are here. So you can click the new custom strategy. All sellers. You can create your own strategy. All sellers, FBA, MF. For example, click next, all conditions new, and then you can go through and create your own custom strategy, which might be unique to your set of products depending on how you sell. We've also got automations down here. So automations is cool as well. Same sort of thing, new automation, wizard flow, choose your automation setup. Let's select wizard after automation has been for a certain amount of time. So you can also set up your own custom automations, guys, which once again depends on when sellers numbers decrease to X amount, do this. It's telling you to do certain things when something decreases or increases in price, which is pretty, way past my technical knowledge of selling on Amazon. I'll get my team to help me out with that, but it's all cool. Click on your account as well, guys. Oh, not the account, sorry. Yeah, click on the account as well. Oh, sorry, what the account? What am I looking at here? Profit Protector Pro is what I want to look at here. And then, when you log in here, guys, by the way, you can also pick the custom strategies down here. Or is it on the account? I'm looking at the account. Here we go. Sorry. PPP settings. And then that's when you can go on the PPC settings and actually default repricing strategy. Match low FBA is my price. What you can actually do is pick from all of these if it's super aggressive or aggressive sales generator. And this is going to help you get sales depending on what you want to do. Penny over low price, penny over low FBA price. You see what I mean? So I've got match low FBA price there. You can do anything that you want, depending on the marketplace that you're in. So then you can actually click on my Amazon account. You can attach as many accounts you want to it, and obviously your subscription settings there. So guys, that's really cool. So that's a full tutorial of Profit Protector Pro, the new version. I hope you've enjoyed that. As I say, I've been using it for over 3 years now. I can't believe it. Time flies. It's a great bit of kit. Go and get the link below, and I will see you in the next video.